Get ready, going green.
Okay, this is Fixed Ferrari at Spa. This is more of a test than a race for me. I've done a complete Windows reinstall on my computer, so I lost all of my settings. So I spent yesterday and this morning sorting out my overlay, sorting out the computer, iRacing, pretty much everything.
Green flag.
So this is just to see if the recording's working, if all the overlays work, if the sound is good and the picture and everything else. So I'm not too bothered about the result. I just want to have a decent race
Still there.
and make sure everything works. That's the plan.
Still there.
I'm sure once I get into the race, I'll want to do well. Anyway, here we are. Hopefully, you can hear this. Hopefully, everything is working. I've tried. I've got someone on my inside there. Bit of contact. I don't think we were going to get through there, were we? So I've got an overlay that tells me when someone's on my left or right, but it didn't show up then, I don't think. So maybe that bit's not working. That could be something to work on. This guy braked very early, didn't he? Don't know why. I've got this guy behind who's keen as mustard, I think. So what I'm trying to do is, I've been having constant crashing with my computer.
Clear on the left.
So I've really struggled to get races out recently. I'm saving up for a new one, but I thought, well, let's try one last thing. So a complete Windows reinstall. It seems to be better, although it has crashed a couple of times. But we'll see. We'll see how we get on over the next week or so. If not, then I'm going to have to, well, I don't know what I'm going to do. Sell a kidney and buy a computer sooner than I was expecting. I don't know why this guy is... I mean, I don't know what he's doing. Oh, yeah, I nearly hit him then. I think we need to get by him, don't we? I think we definitely need to get by him because he's all over the place, this guy. I've got this guy behind who's very keen.
Car on your left.
Although, there's the red thingy showing up.
Clear on the left. Left side.
Okay, that's going to give him a chance.
Stay on the right. Clear. Car on your left. Still there. Clear on the left.
Yeah, it would be nice to close up on this green car. Todd.
29.221.
Maybe we can close up along the straight, but that green car was really... yeah, I don't know what he's playing at. This guy's going to have the run on the Camel Straight, doesn't he? Unfortunately. And I don't have a slipstream, so this is going to be a bit of a pain. I'm normally pretty quick round here, but my concentration is elsewhere.
Left side. Clear.
And that green car's got by the car ahead. I mean, I don't know what he's playing at early on, because he was certainly all over the place. We're getting away from this guy. He seems very keen to make a move. Just focus on who's in front, I think. So I'm closing up on these two. Leaders are getting away a little bit. So I've changed my overlays a bit. They look a little bit different. Let me know what you think. I think I've got a different map to what I had before. You can always go back to the old one if people prefer it, but let me know what you think. Be good to know. Oh yeah, I think we've got this guy.
Car on your left. Still there, hold your line. Stay on the right. Clear on the left.
Yeah, he's backed out of it. he got overtaken by the other guy as well.
20.4.
Yeah, I think we can go quicker than this.
Top 10. Good job. Very nice. 10 minutes to go.
Should be in the 18s, really. See if we can close up a bit. Where are we? 10th. And I'm not sure if this overlay is a relative or a just a standings in the bottom right-hand corner here, so I need to keep an eye on that. I only really know if we get a back marker. Well, the computer's working anyway, for now, which is a good start. Can we get by this guy? Well, if he brakes that early, I think we will. Nice to close in on some people, wouldn't it? Also be nice to get round here without having to ease off. Somebody's going slow ahead by the looks of it. If they've got a bit of damage or what, I don't know. Looks like it.
All right, clear.
Going into the pits. Right, so Kemmel straight then. We've got to get by this guy.
20.383. That was your fastest lap of the session.
Bit too heavy on the right foot there. Still in the slipstream though, so if I can get up the hill. Really close enough though, are we? Not really close enough. It's going to be a bit of a dive, which is not what I want to do. Maybe now.
Left side, clear on the left.
I mean,
Car on your
I
left.
think I was there, wasn't I? He just sort of dived across in front of me. Oh well. I'll check the replay. Let's get away from these two anyway. Oh, he's saying thanks. I'm guessing he wasn't happy with that. Probably was my fault, but he did sort of just dive across in front of me. And I was already committed. See if we can close into these guys anyway.
.118. Just set your fastest lap of the session.
We haven't got the slipstream now, but So we're 8th now, so someone's gone off, haven't they? Someone into the pits we saw.
With 5 minutes to go.
5 minutes to go. See if we can make any more progress. A bit quicker when we're not following anyone. Nice to close in, wouldn't it? It's a better lap, 2:19s now, that's good.
19.455. New fastest lap for you.
So we're fair way behind, aren't we? 2.1 seconds. Don't know if we've got enough time. 1.9 seconds. So we're closing a little bit. But not enough. .8 seconds. .6, so we're getting that. Slow round there though. Still 1.6, so we need to close in a bit more.
Last lap.
Last lap.
The leader just did a 9.
What do we reckon?
4, 2, 1.
1.4.
20.31.
1.5. Not gonna happen, is it? Well, I can close in a bit more at the end of this straight, I think. I could probably get within a second, so there's a chance for a move into the chicane at the end of the lap? What do you reckon? Close up as much as I'd hoped there. There's a whole gaggle of cars ahead. What's going on here? I reckon there might be some more spaces here, you reckon? I reckon there will be. Yeah. I think there'll be some moves into that final chicane. Okay, we'll need to capitalise on it if there are. Need to be close enough, so 1.1, so we're just about in the slipstream, I think. Maybe, maybe not. So what's going to happen? Is somebody going to make a move? I think they are. We're not close enough. Others are. But no one's gone off. Wow, well done. Well, that was good. Good clean racing, apart from me hitting poor old Todd. So we'll have a look at that in the replay. Okay, well, hopefully, if you're just watching this video, it means that everything's worked. Let's see. Okay, so we're just coming around to the start, and let's see what happened in terms of incidents. So, somebody... Oh, dear. Gosh, that's a fast space to go off. Someone else has gone off. Yes. Oh, was that Todd? Yes. Well, we'll go back and have a look at that one. It hasn't picked it up very well. Oh, and then he rejoined in front of someone. Well, okay. So this is we're just picking up the action. We're coming along the Kemmel Straight. He had a bad exit here, very narrow line. So I got a good run, and I'd been closing in and was going quite a bit quicker. So, yeah. Just unlucky, really. I mean, apologies, Todd. I guess, yeah, that's my fault. But, yeah, a little bit unlucky. You did come across very quickly. I wasn't able to stop. But I was hoping you'd sort of stay out on your normal line, but you didn't. So I guess, yeah. Yeah, well, you know, it's always the car behind, isn't it? So I'll take responsibility for that. My fault. But, yeah, just a bit unlucky. Let's just have a look at it from Todd's point of view. Yeah, so yeah, my fault. I'll take that one. Sorry, Todd. But, yeah, unfortunately, he then plots his copybook by doing an unsafe rejoin into somebody. Yeah, okay. Anyway, let's have a look at the results. So here's the results then. So that's third split out of 6. Got a little bit of safety rating, surprisingly, and a bit of I rating as well. So happy with that. Yeah. Disappointing to have hit somebody. So yeah, sorry, Todd. But yeah, fastest lap wise, 19 flat. I think I managed a 19, didn't I? 19.4. Probably could have gone a bit quicker. But yeah, I wasn't really focused on the race so much more. Was everything working? So fingers crossed when I come to edit this. It has. Anyway, if you enjoyed that and you want to see more stuff like this, then do stick around, hit that like, hit subscribe, share with your friends, and maybe I'll see you next time at the track.